What is going on, everybody? We're back today with another video. One kind of different than, well, I say kind of different, I don't know. But today we are building some interior barn doors for a customer. But it's barn doors that's going to go inside their house just for looks and everything. But we've gotten one built. Here, I'll show it to you. We've got one built right here. We built this earlier just to figure out how we was going to do it. It looks really nice. And we're going to show y'all today in this video. We're going to show y'all how we built this thing. We're not going to go into too much detail. We're just going to kind of let y'all follow along and just watch us do it. But the main materials is some 6-inch. It's 1x6 like tongue and groove pine board right here. There's the groove and there's the tongue right here. But we're using that to make this part a solid piece. As you can see, we've got 3 layers. We've got the tongue and groove stuff in the middle to make the main part. And then we've got 1x4 spruce to wrap the thing on both sides and make all these. So like, it looks the same on this back side. But anyways, we're going to show y'all guys, we're going to just let y'all follow along and watch us build these things. So enjoy the video. Okay, we're cutting 10 of the tongue and groove boards. 10 of these 6 foot 10 inches long. That way to make our main frame, and then we'll just get all those cut and go from there. Alright, we have got all 10 boards cut to length, and we've got all of them joined together, and we've got these straps on each side holding it together. That way we can then get a center measurement off of this line and get 2 foot on each side, because our doors are 4 foot wide, so we need to cut the ends off right here to have straight ends, because we can't have this on the side of it. So we've got to figure out how much to rip off of each of these and get those cut, and then we can join them, then we can put it all together, line it all up, and then we can start putting on these strapping boards, all these boards. So after we do what I just said, we're going to then put these boards on it right here, and those, and then so on and so forth. So just, we're going to put all the boards on. So let's get these figured out and cut those the right way. 2 foot right there. Yep. Alright, now let's cut them. is the next step, everyone. Mark's cutting another one of these, but we're starting with the boards on the bottom and the top of the door. It's gonna be one here and one on the bottom side, so it'll sandwich these boards between these. And this is the board that's going to hold all this together. And what we're gonna use to install these is a brad nailer with 2-inch brad nails. And that's what we're gonna use because it'll shoot through and hold both sides together. So that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna line this up and clamp it down and get it nailed. There it is. We got the second door made. I think they look pretty decent. Next thing we're gonna do is just sand them and get them ready for paint, which isn't gonna happen today. We're gonna get them ready for paint. Very nice. Like that way the X is completed. And I like the fact that we did those boards across there. That looks really nice. But anyways, let me take a picture of that. Is what we've got going so far. That actually looks surprisingly good, right, Mark? Yep. Surprisingly good. I like it. But we're gonna move on to sanding them, getting them ready for paint. We probably won't paint them today, but we'll probably get to that tomorrow. So I'm gonna set you all up on a time lapse while we sand, and we will see you guys when we get done with that. Let's get it. All right, we have got the doors sanded. They are ready for paint. We are probably not gonna do it today. We might do it tomorrow. If we get a chance, actually we probably won't. Do we need to paint them today, Mark? We could. I don't want to. What's going on, people? Back out here working on these barn doors today. I'm gonna try and paint them. But I'm going to put you guys on a time lapse and y'all can watch me paint these things. Alright, what's going on? We're back, everyone, on the door video, and it's Saturday, and, like, the doors are gone. We've got a truck in here now instead, but we finished the doors Monday,
and we've been extremely busy this week. So Monday, as soon as we got done working, which was like 5 o'clock, we got home, we finished up the doors and took them in and installed them. So we did not have time to get our cameras ready and video it. So anyways, the barn doors are finished, and we've got some pictures of the finished product I'll insert right here. Yeah, that's the end of this video. If y'all enjoyed it, please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. See ya.